Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I am so excited for today. I am so excited. This has been a longer time coming than I thought it would. And I'm super excited about what I have to unbox for you. And I have some other things to show you too. So I'm gonna start with the smaller stuff and then get to the bag unboxing. I can't, it's a bag I already have one of. I can't believe it's taken me this long to get another one. And it's a certain color, and I'm just hoping it's like, I think it's going to be.
So you're saying this is a true unboxing?
It is, yes. But we're going to start with the little things. I was just going to show you what I ended up getting from the Coach and Kate Spade drop. I didn't get much from it. I looked ahead of time. Things were there. Nothing really hit me real hard, and there's a few bag charms that I really liked that I didn't get, but I was able to grab just a couple things. I just ordered online, so I was able to get this My 2 Cents chains purse thing, and I just got these because when we were younger, I mean, everyone had these. You got them for your change, you squeeze them, and eventually they might open easier on the card, but open up like that, and you could just put your coins on them, but they come as a bag charm. So I just thought that was super fun. It was one of the things that I actually wanted from the whole thing to begin with, so the fact that it was available online made me happy, because I went probably the night of the day that everything dropped, and then I got another one. This one is a heart-shaped one.
Is that the same type?
Yeah. It opens.
Another squeeze box?
Yeah, squeeze box. So I just like this. I don't know that I'd ever put any change or anything in it, but they're nice for just little bag charms. So I got that. And the only other thing I got came in here, and it was just a brooch, and I thought it was cute, and I thought I'd use it for a bag charm and just put it like on a strap.
Oh, it's a diaper pin.
It's a Kate Spade pin.
Oh.
But it came in
Not
this,
for the fancy babies.
comes in this nice box. Like Target and Kate Spade, and then it says Dazzle and Shine, and the box even has pinstripes on it. It just says brooch. Does it have a name here? I don't know. I think every one of these was like $10 or something. So
I'm not sure if it's me or the camera, but it seems like it's spasming. So I apologize if it's doing that. It's not the cameraman.
Sure it is. Is it okay now?
No.
It's not?
No. It's almost like it's got a heartbeat.
How is it now?
Now it seems to have stopped.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Here's what I got. Wonder if the dots threw it off, maybe? I don't know. Okay. But I want to make sure it's okay for my unboxing. So, I probably went through that a little fast, but that's because I'm excited. I am so excited. This is so funny. It came from DHL. It's from overseas. And this is how it came. There's no address on here. Then I didn't pull it off. This is how it came. I'm gonna pull that off.
Why?
So I'm hoping this is mine, and I'm just hoping it's okay because it's a little dinged up, but I got it and I had to open it right away. It just came yesterday, and I'm like, this is getting opened, and we're doing an unboxing. So let's hope it's okay. Let's hope it's okay.
Should deprive me away from my busy lifestyle.
What was that, watching TV? Yeah?
I'll plead the fifth.
I thought so. Alright, so let's see. I'm not exactly sure how this gets open, so we're just going to do this.
911, what's your emergency?
Stop it. This is just like a plastic or ceramic one, so it shouldn't hurt me. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I can't show you that because they don't know what it does. Okay. So it opens up like this. Does anybody know that brand? Probably not. Because I don't know anybody else who has a bag like this. And now I'll have two. from Fleuron. Is anybody starting to know what this might be? Here's the dust bag. It's an awesome dust bag. This is super, super nice. Super nice dust bag. Oh yeah, and then they also give you a second tote bag. They did this last time too. Last time I think mine was tan. This one's greenish colored, so just a really nice canvas tote.
Not Latanier.
No, that's these three.
I know. I was just making a play on tan.
When I opened my first bag from them, I fell in love. Mulberry has been kind of like my biggest jam up until then, but there's something about this bag that just...
Kind of like there's something about an Aqua Velva Man.
No. That just... I don't know. It just gives me all the feels, and I love it. And when I purchased the first one, there was a color... I had to purchase the color I purchased. But there have been three more I've been thinking of ever since then. But one in particular, and I think my friends knew because I think that's why they got me the card holder they did from Hermes. But I got another medium Swan bag. Look at this.
Is that Bella?
Bag. Oh, I love the Swan bags. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh, let's have a spin. Here's the front, the side, the back,
Boom, 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 boom. Chicka, wow, wow.
the bottom.
Look
No
at that.
feet.
Look at that bottom.
Right.
Look at that bottom, girls.
And
Or in this case, flat bottom, girls.
what?
Nothing.
Hush. I even love the handle. Oh, it's just so nicely stitched. Contrast white stitching. Just very low.
Pebbled leather?
Yep. But what's the word I'm looking for?
Blue?
Logoed.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, this is the right color. Because you never know if things are going to match exactly like they show online. Then the interiors of these are just... Okay. Got a nice adjustable, removable strap in with gold hardware. And the interiors are just, they're luscious. That's all I can say. They're just a big open space with one like card pocket here. And then the bottom has a piece of leather in it. But
Give it a little more stability on the bottom, huh?
yep. And then the inside though, oh, I don't know what this is. It feels almost like a suede. It is so good. It is so good. I love this bag. Where's my pink one's on the floor, probably behind me. But I got the fuchsia one, and these the closures are actually, oh, they got plastic. Let me see if I can get the plastic off there. Oh, like some ASMR there. So there's that. So they close on the sides, or they can open, and then the top can close or not. If you want it to.
Is that magnetic?
Yeah. And the side. The bag is called the Swan, and this is the medium. There's a smaller and a larger. But and my friends, for my birthday, got me this. Because I think they knew that I loved, it was between the ones I looked at, I still would love to get, they have a green one that I love, orange one that I love, but the fuchsia and the blue just spoke to me in ways that none of the other ones did. And so I was so excited when I got the blue Kelvy card holder for my birthday from my YouTube friends, and I thought, it's time. I gotta buy the next one. I didn't think it would take me this long to get another one. I think these are, when I got my first one, I think it was like $6.29. I don't think no, there's no receipts. And I think this was like $6.80 $5.80. No, maybe they were $5.79 and now it's $6 something. But they did go up. They went up in price from last year. But okay, I gotta get the other one. Look at these. Look at these.
Look at me looking at you looking
These
at
are
those.
just so beautiful. They're so beautiful. I don't, just something about this silhouette. I just love it. I absolutely love it. And the fact that it's top handle and you can put a strap on it and I would say that this leather feels a little bit different than this leather. This one's a little softer to the touch. This one is a little not as soft, but still lush. They're just, I got to take the stickers off all these though, so they actually stick together. The magnets stick together here. I still got some more sticky on there. Oh, even this is, there's still some more stickers on there. I'm not going to sit there and take them all off with you all. Yeah, look at the little symbol even. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. For the longest, like I said, for the longest time, man, I'd have a hard time now picking a favorite out of these two. Out of all the bags I own, these are probably two of my favorites. This and this. If I had to pick favorites. I mean, God knows I love all my bags, but just, if you, I've said it before about, I think, Latanier, but I will say it about this too. If you're just getting started in luxury and you don't want to spend $1,000 on your first bag or anything, and you want a luxurious experience from top to bottom, this is your bag. I mean, like, first off, the dust bag, there's no one that makes a better dust bag than this. They might make one as good, but there's no one that makes one better than this. I mean, I've had Hermes, I've had Louis Vuitton, Chanel. This rivals any of them. But then they also threw in this huge canvas tote for free. Just hand it to you. Nice, super nice bag. And the price is under $700 for an all leather bag. These are my jam. This is why it was epic. And now I'm so in love with these again. I've been trying to do this thing now where I've been trying to be more and more mindful about when I'm purchasing new bags, which probably doesn't seem like it because everything's been adding up at one time, but I have been being mindful. And I got a bonus at work.
We have different definitions of mindful.
And so now I gotta save up for my next one. And look at these bags. And they're just different enough that not everybody nobody around here has these that I know of. And aren't they awesome? I mean, aren't they awesome? And I don't have, in my defense, I don't have anything blue like this. No, this one, we're going to not talk about that one because I have a few things that are this color. More than a few. And that's the majority of my bags. But I haven't had a blue. And when I got this, I was really surprised because, like I said, when I first went to, and they probably have about 15 different colors. I kid you not. There are probably 15 different colors. They have neutrals. They have non-neutrals. And when I was picking mine out, if they have fuchsia, you know I'm going to get fuchsia. I mean, it's just what I do, even though I love green. But the green, the orange, and the blue also were speaking to me. But the blue just spoke to me. But I'm like, I got to do the fuchsia. And I did. But I've been thinking about this ever since. And now that I look at this, it's like, Gotta get the orange one now. I gotta get the orange one now. But that might be a little while. But I see more of these in my future. I can't say that I see a whole lot of other bags, multiples in my future. Maybe some Lataniers because they're gorgeous as well, and the price when they're on sale is phenomenal. I don't know that this brand ever has any sales, but I would say, talking about being priced, for price, experience, and everything else, this is the bag and the brand that more than any other bag or brand I could see more of in my future. I mean, I have my mulberries, but I love all my mulberry colors. I don't know that I'd need any other of those, and they're more expensive. They're like close to $1,500 or $1,600 now. You could buy at least 2 of these, if not 3, for the price of that. And these are my jam. These are my jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. This is my jam. I'm so excited, and I was a little nervous about the color because you never know, and this is exactly what I wanted it to be. So I am super, super happy. So
we couldn't tell.
No, I bet. It's so good. And they're so unique. I mean, they're just so unique. The closures are unique. They're easy to get into. You can put them on your shoulder. You can hand carry them. You can wear it like this. You can practically shoulder carry it, especially if you had a smaller arm than I do. I mean, like, just, they're beautiful bags. I know a few of you have seen these or have these because a couple people have commented on them before, but if you don't have one of these, why don't you have one of these? You ever thought about one of these? Think about one of these. I think they're great. So that's it. That's what I have for you today. This is my epic unboxing. To me, this is, she's good. She's good. Yeah. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Trying to grow my channel. Please leave a comment. I love when you leave comments. It helps me get to know everybody just a little bit better. I do answer all my comments. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, mainly luxury and contemporary bag related content, but I do put other stuff out there as well because this is my jam. I do have quite a few unboxings coming up. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, I think 4 at least coming up yet. Just everything's coming together. It's not like I'm just buying all the time. It just a lot of stuff came together at once. So I have some, 5, maybe 6. But okay.
They're like
anyways,
rabbits. Every
right.
time we talk about them, they grow more.
Right. So I got a lot of unboxings coming up. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video. So there I usually show you what books I've hauled, what I've been reading, what I want to read. I talk about books. I do a lot of collabs on my book channel with Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture because she's been getting into them as well. Every Monday or Tuesday, you'll see me switch into my new bags. So I'll show you my bag of the week that I did use and then enter into my new bag of the week, show you what fits, talk a little bit about the SLGs because I switch out of those as well. And those are on Mondays and Tuesdays, or Monday or Tuesday. You can find me over on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Fleuron. Is it on the periodic table?